Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you 16 websites where rich or kind people literally give away free money. Yes, you heard me right, free money. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. There are actually many generous individuals out there who are willing to help others in need, fund personal projects, or simply spread some joy. And the best part is, you don't need to do anything special to get their attention. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a valid reason to ask for money. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list of 16 websites for free money from generous individuals. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a like. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Begslist. The first website is Begslist. This is a platform where you can create a free account and post your request for money. You can ask for anything from medical bills, tuition fees, rent, groceries, or even a vacation. You can also browse through other people's requests and donate if you feel like it. Begslist is a simple and easy way to connect with people who are willing to give away free money. Imagine that you are in a desperate situation and need some cash to get out of it. Maybe you have a medical emergency, or you are about to be evicted, or you have no food in your fridge. You don't have anyone to turn to, and you don't know what to do. Well, that's where Begslist comes in handy. You can go to their website and create a profile with your photo and your story. You can tell them why you need the money and how much you need. Then, you can post your request and wait for someone to respond. Sometimes, the support provided can take a different form. Instead of requesting $100 in cash to assist with your groceries, it could involve someone regularly donating groceries to you or providing a one-time grocery donation. Number 2. Begging money. Another website that enables individuals to seek financial assistance from both generous and compassionate individuals is beggingmoney.com. It serves as a platform where people can set up personal pages to explain their financial needs or causes and directly request financial help from the general public. For instance, there are requests like help with bills for a single mom desperately in need, which provides an idea of the types of appeals people make on this platform. To begin using Begging Money, all you need to do is visit the website, create a personal page, and honestly describe your financial situation. Number 3. Indiegogo. Next on the list is Indiegogo, a renowned crowdfunding platform that offers an opportunity for entrepreneurs to realize their ideas. It caters to a wide array of projects, spanning from innovative tech and tech-related ventures to create product launches. On Indiegogo, individuals can seek funding from both affluent and compassionate backers to bring their projects to life. Number 4. Fundly. The fourth platform on our list is Fundly. Here, individuals seek assistance for various purposes, including disaster relief for memorials or funeral club activities, community initiatives, and educational needs. On this platform, both kind-hearted and affluent individuals have the opportunity to contribute to your cause. To begin a campaign on Fundly, you first create an account on their website. Then, you honestly and thoroughly describe your cause or project, including its details. You set a fundraising goal and budget, and these details become visible to potential donors who visit the platform. Additionally, you can share your campaign with your wider network to increase the likelihood of receiving public support. Number 5. Kickstarter. The fifth website is Kickstarter. This is a platform for creative projects where you can launch your own campaign or back someone else's. Kickstarter is ideal for artists, musicians, filmmakers, designers, inventors, and anyone who has a unique and original idea. You can set a funding goal and a deadline, and offer rewards to your backers. You can also explore and support other projects that spark your interest. Kickstarter is a platform where you can unleash your creativity with the help of others. Imagine that you have a vision or a concept that you want to bring to life, but you don't have the skills or the equipment to do so. Maybe you want to create a game, a comic book, a gadget, a fashion line, or a documentary. Well, that's where Kickstarter comes in handy. You can go to their website and create a campaign page with your photo and your story. You can tell them what your project is and how much money you need to make it happen. Then, you can offer rewards to your backers, such as a copy of your product, a thank you note, or a personal experience. You can also share your campaign with your network and ask them to back you up. Number 6. Patreon. The sixth website is Patreon. This is a platform for creators where you can earn a monthly income from your fans or patrons. Patreon is perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, bloggers, artists, writers, musicians, and anyone who creates content online. You can offer exclusive rewards and perks to your patrons in exchange for their support. You can also become a patron yourself and support your favorite creators. Patreon is a platform where you can monetize your passion with the help of others. Imagine that you have a skill or a talent that you want to share with the world, but you don't have the income or the stability to do so. Maybe you want to produce a show, a blog, a comic, a song, or a book. You can go to their website and create a page with your photo and your story. You can tell them what your content is and how much money you need to keep creating it. Then, you can offer rewards to your patrons, such as early access, behind the scenes, shoutouts, or collaborations. You can also share your page with your network and ask them to support you. Number 7. JustGiving. Next, there is JustGiving.com, a worldwide online social platform with a strong emphasis on giving. It serves diverse purposes, much like the other websites I've mentioned, ranging from fundraising for charities to supporting personal causes. On this platform, you'll find various appeals, like those seeking assistance for recent earthquake relief in Turkey, or individuals raising funds for running half marathons, purchasing a car, or funding special events. Number 8. GoGetFunding. Our 8th website is GoGetFunding, a platform that enables individuals to raise funds for personal plans, projects, events, or personal causes. This platform hosts a diverse range of fundraising campaigns, as evident from their homepage, which includes categories from medical and healing needs to funding travel for volunteering in exotic places. On this website, you will encounter wealthy, generous, and compassionate individuals willing to support various causes. To begin, all you need to do is create a fundraising page, share your story, set a financial goal, and promote it within your network and beyond. Number 9. Fundable. Fundable is the following website on our list, offering access to free money from wealthy, affluent, or kind individuals. It serves as a crowdfunding platform specifically designed for small businesses, startups, and even large enterprises. Entrepreneurs and ambitious individuals can use this platform to raise funds from accredited investors and customers who wish to pre-order new products or services. To get started on Fundable, you create a profile, outline your business idea, set your funding goal, and then share your campaign with potential investors. Number 10. FundMyTravel. FundMyTravel is an internet platform that allows individuals to create campaigns with the purpose of raising funds for either domestic or international travel expenses. Whether it's for leisure, work, study, volunteering abroad, or family emergencies, FundMyTravel can assist in covering all potential travel costs. Judging from their website, it is evident that many people have achieved success in utilizing this platform for their travel funding needs. Number 11. Crowdfunder. The next website on our list is Crowdfunder, which serves as a platform connecting entrepreneurs with investors worldwide to help fund their business ventures. Whether you need capital to start a new company or invest in an established one, Crowdfunder allows you to showcase your business and attract potential investors. Getting started is relatively straightforward, and on their website, you'll find people seeking donations, contributions, or funding for various projects, such as kids' picture books, starting a restaurant, or launching a food truck business. It's surprising to know that there are individuals out there willing to invest in your business, as long as you present a solid plan. Number 12. Ulule. Ulule is the following website on our list, and it stands as a prominent global funding platform that backs projects spanning various categories, including technology, food, and more. It provides a platform for entrepreneurs, creators, and changemakers to transform their ideas into reality. Ulule allows you to present and showcase your project, seeking funding from an existing community of supporters they have cultivated. Number 13. Seed&Spark. The next platform is Seed&Spark, specifically designed for film and TV projects. Filmmakers can find the resources and support they need to bring their stories to the screen, regardless of the project's scale. Through Seed&Spark, creators have the opportunity to raise funds for production, distribution, and marketing of their projects. Starting on this platform is simple. Just create a campaign page, outline your film project, set the funding goal, and engage with enthusiastic potential backers, many of whom are already part of the platform's community. With over $49 million raised so far, Seed&Spark present an excellent opportunity for aspiring movie or film producers to bring their visions to life. Number 14. CircleUp. The next crowdfunding platform on our list is CircleUp, where rich or kind individuals may provide free money or invest in exchange for promises to fulfill certain conditions. This platform primarily focuses on assisting consumer brands in raising capital to expand their market reach. It offers an opportunity for emerging consumer product companies to connect with accredited investors who are eager to invest in their vision. To begin, you visit the platform, create a profile, share your brand story, and outline your growth plans. By engaging with interested investors, you can secure contributions or investments that will fuel your business expansion. Number 15. RocketHub. Next up is RocketHub, and let me tell you, it's a super versatile platform. Whether you're an entrepreneur, artist, or innovator with a brilliant idea, this is the place for you. You see, RocketHub offers a fantastic space for funding various ventures. Doesn't matter if it's an artistic endeavor, a tech project, or even a community initiative, they've got you covered. All you need to do is hop on over to their website, RocketHub.com, and create a campaign page to showcase your project and get the support you need to make it a reality. Number 16. GoFundMe. The 16th and final website is GoFundMe. This is one of the most popular crowdfunding platforms in the world, where you can raise money for any cause or project. Whether you need money for an emergency, a personal goal, a creative idea, or a social issue, GoFundMe can help you reach your target amount. You can create a campaign page, share your story, and invite your friends and family to support you. You can also discover and donate to other people's campaigns that inspire you. GoFundMe is a platform where you can make your dreams come true with the help of others. Imagine that you have a passion or a talent that you want to pursue, but you don't have the resources or the opportunities to do so. Maybe you want to start a business, write a book, travel the world, or make a difference in your community. Well, that's where GoFundMe comes in handy. You can go to their website and create a campaign page with your photo and your story. You can tell them what your goal is and how much money you need to achieve it. Then, you can share your campaign with your network and ask them to support you. So, there you have it, 16 websites where rich and kind people literally give away free money. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to comment below and let me know which website you are going to try out first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!